Hi and welcome to a new video. Hope you like it.
This is Rolf. Rolf is a pioneer of the Deutsches Afrikakorps.
800, aus eure Betten und rein in die Uniform. Stubenappell in 2 Minuten.
Rolf Seeger is one of my few figures that has never been customized, meaning it was taken out of the original box and left like that. Rolf is a pioneer, a soldier employed to perform engineering and construction tasks. The term is in principle similar to sapper or combat engineer. As has already been said and written, Rolf belongs to the 21st Panzer Division of the Deutsches Afrikakorps and was in Libya in 1942. The Afrikakorps is my favorite army of all time and this figure is part of it. Rolf wears the standard uniform and equipment of the German army of that time in North Africa. Nothing special. Except the specific equipment for his role as a pioneer. This is a flag pouch for warning flags of mines or booby traps. Inside this flag pouch are flags, as you can see in the video. Very nice ones. He also has a shoulder bag for carrying explosives. It is very well detailed and inside is enough explosives to take down the Kremlin. In addition to the bag, the set also includes separate explosives and detonators. It also includes grenade bags and grenades. I do not use the bag in the figure because it does not look realistic to me because it has zippers. I can find no evidence that zippers were used in this situation. Grenades have been used in other figures.
And now for something completely different.
Since I know you like to know everything, I want to tell you that today I had my blood drawn for analysis. And I want to show you how perfect the bandage on my arm turned out. Beautiful, isn't it?
Nope.
This is his original box. Excellent artwork. Of course there is nothing in sight because everything was used in this and other figures. I searched on YouTube for this figure and as far as I know there is only one other video by one of the biggest collectors of these figures. The video is by Sir Mathis. I recommend that everyone who likes this art subscribe to his channel. I will leave the link in the description of this video. And now let's see his head sculpt. Very good for a figure released in December 2005. The set also includes his salakot or pit helmet and a typical tropical hat exclusive to the Afrikakorps. I have another pit helmet from the manufacturer wwII. Which one looks better? Let me know in the comments. This is a pair of cutting pliers used by pioneers. They can be used to cut everything, including barbed wire. They are very beautiful and realistic and look good on the figure. I don't think I have anything to add. The video ends here.
Surely you can't be serious.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.